Hey you guys, this is Ash from Creative Mending, and today I thought it would be super fun to do an unboxing of this Na surprise doll. I actually already have one of these dolls. I did a live stream unboxing of that doll, and she's right here with me. She's super cute. Ta-da! I love her so much. And I thought it would be fun to buy another doll, and we can do an unboxing here today. Since my live stream one, I never took the VOD and I never put it onto YouTube. If you're interested in watching my live streams, you can check me out at twitch.tv/creativemending, and I stream every Wednesday from 2 to 4, and that's Central Standard Time. So without further ado, I'd like to get into the really fun part, which is opening this doll. And here on the top, there is a push here button. So you push and you're able to get in here. Yay! So we have our doll in here, and then they give us our straw in the packaging. Last time I did this on live stream, I couldn't make the bag fill up quite correctly, so hopefully this time I will be able to do it. So here's our straw, and it tells us to insert the straw through the bottom, inflate, and then our surprise will be here. So I'm going to insert my straw through the bottom like it says. I'm going to inflate. So I'm getting a lot of kickback. Let's see. There we go. I don't know how to keep it filled with air. Inflate, peel, and squeeze. So let's see. There we go. I did it right this time. So you inflate it, you pull out your straw, and then you pull this tab. Oh my gosh! Okay. Whee! Oh, that was so fun this time! Oh, I did it correctly. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's everywhere. It's in my hair. That was so fun. Okay, and then it says you pair to get to her. I'm gonna have to clean up this mess again. Last time I did this, I had a mess and I had to sweep it all up. Oh, let's see. Just tear. Oh, tear like that. Okay, who did we get this time? We got whoever is in this cute little tiger. It's super cute. I still have this stuff in my hair. Okay. Who do we have here? Hello! Oh, aren't you adorable? Oh my goodness, I love the little band-aid on the nose. So cute. Really scrunch them up in there. So this is who we got this time. And here's our accessories. So I now have, oops, got a little overzealous there. I now have this one in the middle and this little tiger baby now. Okay. Let's see what's in here. We've got our clothes. Yeah, we've got our clothes. Oh, cute. Some little shorts. Let's put those on there. So adorable. I love the little undergarments. So cute. Let's put on the shirt. I really like these dolls because they're quite firm to the touch and you can travel around with them really easily because they have their own little travel bags. And what else do we have here? Do we have some shoes? I think we got some shoes. Yes, we do have shoes. Oh, and I love these shoes. A simple black boot. Oh, and it has little tigers on the side. And there you have it. We have our dolls now. Aren't they just adorable together? Yay! I love them. Well, that was so fun, you guys. Hey guys, Editing Ash here. I just realized I was so excited while doing the unboxing, I totally forgot the review aspect. Banana Nut Surprise dolls do have an over the age of 3 warning on them because there are very small items in them and those could be choke hazards. Also, the quality of the dolls is very nice. I mentioned that I really like how firm they are to the touch. Also, the quality of the shoes is very lovely. The clothes are sewn very well. There's mostly finished edges, which is amazing in this type of doll. And the wigs are attached. Now I've heard that you can possibly remove these wigs and put them onto dolls like BJDs, which maybe I'll take a picture of that and put that up later. So yeah, I definitely recommend these dolls. I think they're very worth the price point and they're just really fun because of the way that you open them and also that you can just grab them and travel with them. They are the perfect size. This video and subscribe. Please make sure you tick the little notification bell. That way you get a notification every time I put up a new video. I hope you have a very great day. I know that I am going to have a very great day. Bye!